If your carpets need a deep clean, a good carpet cleaner machine can make a huge difference. Welcome back to USA Smart Shop. In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best carpet cleaner machine options you can buy right now. I compared cleaning power, ease of use, and overall value so you can quickly decide which one is right for your home. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Hoover Power-Pet Advanced Compact Carpet Cleaner Machine with above floor cleaning, lightweight carpet shampooer machine, pair with a Hoover carpet cleaner solution for a bright, refreshed home. The Hoover Power-Pet Advanced Compact Carpet Cleaner is designed to help remove dirt, stains, and pet messes from carpets while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. Built for households with pets, this carpet cleaner focuses on deep cleaning performance while maintaining a compact design suitable for everyday use. One of the key features of this machine is its powerful carpet cleaning system that combines water, cleaning solution, and a rotating brush roll. This combination helps lift dirt, pet hair, and stains from deep within carpet fibers. The Power-Pet Advanced also includes above-floor cleaning capability. With the appropriate attachments, users can clean upholstery, stairs, and other fabric surfaces that are difficult to reach with a standard floor cleaner. The rotating brush system helps agitate carpet fibers while the cleaning solution breaks down stubborn dirt and stains. This helps restore the appearance of carpets while removing embedded debris. Another useful feature is the lightweight design. Compared to many traditional carpet cleaning machines, this model is easier to push and maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. Number 2. Bissell TurboClean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner, Upholstery Tough Stain Tool and Formula included, $37.46. The Bissell TurboClean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner is designed to provide deep cleaning performance for carpets and upholstery, especially in homes with pets. With its larger cleaning path and specialized tools, this machine focuses on removing dirt, pet hair, and tough stains. One of the main highlights of the TurboClean Pet XL is its wide cleaning path. The larger brush head allows users to clean bigger carpet areas more quickly compared to smaller carpet cleaning machines. The powerful brush roll works together with cleaning solution to loosen dirt and stains embedded in carpet fibers. As the brush agitates the carpet, the machine extracts the dirty water to help restore the carpet's appearance. This model also includes an upholstery tough stain tool. The attachment is designed for cleaning furniture, car interiors, stairs, and other fabric surfaces where spills or pet stains may occur. The carpet cleaner comes with a specially formulated cleaning solution designed to help remove pet-related messes such as odors, stains, and dirt. Another helpful feature is the dual tank system that separates clean and dirty water. This ensures that fresh cleaning solution is always used during the cleaning process. Despite its larger cleaning path, the machine is designed to remain relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver. The handle and wheel system help users move the cleaner across different carpeted areas with less effort. Maintenance is also designed to be simple, with removable tanks that can be emptied and cleaned after use. Overall, the Bissell TurboClean Pet XL Carpet Cleaner is built to provide efficient carpet cleaning with a wider cleaning path, specialized pet stain tools, and strong stain removal capability for homes with pets. Number 3. Shark Carpet Expert with Stain Striker Upright Carpet, Area Rug and Upholstery Cleaner with Pet Mess Extractor Tool, perfect for pets, carpet shampooer, 3 cleaning tools, cleaning solutions, white, EX201. The Shark Carpet Expert with Stain Striker is designed to provide powerful deep cleaning for carpets, area rugs, and upholstered surfaces. This upright carpet cleaner focuses on removing stubborn stains, pet messes, and everyday dirt with a combination of strong suction and specialized cleaning tools. One of the key features of this machine is the Stain Striker technology. This system uses a combination of cleaning solutions that work together to break down tough stains and odors. When applied during cleaning, the formula helps lift embedded dirt from carpet fibers. The powerful suction system extracts dirty water and cleaning solution from the carpet after scrubbing. This helps remove loosened dirt while leaving carpets cleaner and fresher. The machine is also equipped with a motorized brush roll that agitates carpet fibers to loosen dirt and stains. This scrubbing action helps remove debris that may be trapped deep within the carpet. Another advantage of this model is its versatility. In addition to carpets and area rugs, the machine can also clean upholstery and other fabric surfaces with the included attachments. The package includes several cleaning tools designed for different tasks. These tools allow users to clean stairs, furniture, and small areas where a full-size carpet cleaner may not easily reach. Number 4. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Car and Auto Detailer, with exclusive specialty tools, Green, 1400B. The Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner is a compact and portable cleaning machine designed to remove stains from carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and other fabric surfaces. Its small size and powerful cleaning capability make it suitable for spot cleaning and targeted stain removal. One of the main advantages of the Little Green Cleaner is its portability. The lightweight design allows users to easily carry the machine from room to room or even take it outside to clean vehicles. The machine uses a combination of water, cleaning solution, and strong suction to remove stains. The cleaning solution helps break down dirt while the suction system extracts the dirty water from the fabric surface. The unit includes specialized cleaning tools designed for targeted stain removal. These attachments help clean upholstery, car seats, stairs, and other areas that may be difficult to reach with larger carpet cleaning machines. Another helpful feature is the compact dual-tank system. One tank holds clean water and cleaning formula, while the other collects the dirty water during cleaning. The machine is commonly used for cleaning pet accidents, food spills, and everyday stains that occur on carpets or furniture. Its small footprint makes it easy to store when not in use, making it a convenient option for homes with limited storage space. Despite its compact size, the cleaner is capable of removing tough stains from fabrics with focused suction and scrubbing action. Number 5. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine for Carpet and Upholstery, Deep Cleaning Carpet Shampooer Machine with Multi-Purpose Tools, Pair Carpet Cleaner Solution. The Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner is designed for deep cleaning carpets and upholstery using powerful scrubbing brushes and strong suction. This upright carpet cleaning machine is built to remove embedded dirt, stains, and odors from carpet fibers. One of the key features of this machine is its spin scrub brush system. Multiple rotating brushes work together to scrub carpet fibers from different angles. This helps loosen dirt and stains that may be trapped deep within the carpet. The machine uses heated air technology to help speed up the drying process after cleaning. By blowing warm air across the carpet, it helps reduce drying time compared to standard cleaning methods. Another important feature is the dual tank system that keeps clean and dirty water separate. This ensures fresh cleaning solution is always applied during the cleaning process. The carpet cleaner also includes a variety of multipurpose tools designed for above-floor cleaning tasks. These tools allow users to clean stairs, upholstery, and other fabric surfaces that require targeted cleaning. The large cleaning path allows users to cover larger areas of carpet more efficiently. Overall, the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner provides deep carpet cleaning with rotating brush technology, multipurpose attachments, and a design intended for thorough cleaning of carpets and upholstery. Those were my picks for the 5 best carpet cleaner machine options available right now. Each one offers something a little different depending on your cleaning needs and budget. If you want to check current prices or learn more about any of these machines, you'll find the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to USA Smart Shop for more helpful product reviews.